Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We have an image, as we showed you earlier, on the computer, where we have lines. Those lines are exactly the width, okay, the width of this thing, right? Now here goes. I'm going to draw lines going down, starting from the top left all the way down, making sure that they're straight. Now I use a color pencil, right, to draw my lines, because I don't like how the pencil mixes with the paint when you start painting. So the lines must not be too clear, they must be faint. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See the lines? Yes. Alright, so now we need to create a grid. So we're gonna draw more lines on this side. Same exact thickness of 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Starting from the top, okay? Because that's how I started it on the computer. So the next thing I normally do is I mark each block with a number. So I write 1 here. That is the first step in drawing a portrait, okay? So now we're going to get to where we put it on an easel and then we start painting, okay? Choosing the right colors, mixing and everything. That's the fun part, because I don't draw with a pencil first on all those wonderful things, okay? I paint directly as soon as I'm done with this process. Alright, let's move on to the next part.